Tool lots, reliable, equipment, fast.
Part 2. The tower assembly video. Parts list. Step 1. Pay attention to the length and placement of screws. Pick up 2 long screws and put them in the right hole of the bed, 2 short screws in the left hole. Pick up the long screw and fix it on the left side of the bed, then fix the short screw on the right side of the bed. Step 2. Insert 2 steel pipes into the aligned holes in the crossbar respectively, and then pick up the screws and fix them slightly. Step 3. Insert the installed steel pipe into the aluminum sleeve accurately. Fix the screws on both sides again. Don't forget to fix the screws below. Step 4. Press and hold the bolt, align it with the hole and insert it before releasing it. Step 5. 2 long blue springs are hung on the top of the steel pipe. The other hook is connected with the push rod. 2 short blue springs are hung below, and the other hook is connected with the push rod. 2 long yellow springs are hung on the top of the steel pipe, and a wooden stick is linked under the springs. 2 short yellow springs are hung on the hook, then the drawstring is hung under the springs. Finally, let's take a look at the safety rope. Move the trolley to the end of the bed. Gently put down the flat board so that the complete video is assembled.
Tool lots, reliable, equipment.